Here is a lift tour at Central World and Centara at Central World in Bangkok. These are the main lifts in the shopping center and also in the hotel parts. And this is my first meetup with NingSama to do a lift tour. Now to the first lift in the shopping center. These are two glass eco-disc lifts. These have KDS 300 fixtures.
Going down. First floor. Going up. Quất con này. Quất con này, đi quất con này. Third floor. Going up.
ประมาณนี้โอเคครับ
Có phải ở cáiชั้น 4 เลยดีกว่า
ที่ชั้น 4 โอเค ทางเชื่อมอยู่
ชั้น1ค่ะแล้วชั้น1ทางขึ้นหน้าเจอ Third floor.
เดี๋ยวไปเซตที่ไปขึ้นไปคอนเวนชั่น
Going up.
ขอโทษครับ Okay. And now to the next lifts. These lifts I actually missed, which are 3 Cone Delta, then modded by Schindler M series. These mainly go to the car park, and there's also another set behind these lifts, which is at the back. These are the main big service lifts. These are Cone Delta lifts, and sadly I did not get any footage of these lifts because when I went there, they said that they were shutting down the lift for some reason. I'm not sure. But anyways, now to the next lifts, which are the main car park lifts that goes up to the convention halls. These are 8 cone high-rise mini space lifts. ต้องปั่นไม่เป็นไร Okay, camera's not focusing. Look at this thing. Pink, pink cap.
คะชั้นห้าชั้นห้านะเอาง่ายๆเรียกฝั่งนู้นมันใช้ไม่ได้เลยใช้ฝั่งนี้ใช่ปะ
ผมจำไม่
มัน
ผม
เสีย
จำ
พอ
ไม่
ดีไงอะไรนะคะอะไรนะคะแต่ไม่ได้ค่ะนี่ต้องแต่ไม่ได้ค่ะสุดท้ายเดินไป
Let's go to the convention halls. Main lifts, 8 lifts, go to the car park. Eight lifts. Now for floors higher than 22, I'm going to be using another map. This map is specifically for the guest rooms and for the convention halls on the 22nd and 23rd floors. So from the last lifts, which are the 8 high-rise main space lifts that go to the car park. So now up on the 23rd floor is the sky lobby and the hotel front. So then we go into the guest room lifts. These are also cone high-rise main space lifts. Actually, all lifts on this maps there are cone high-rise main space lifts. So, and when I went to these lifts, I can go up to the highest floor, which is floor 55. Hi. Going to the 55th floor. This is the main lift. Go up to guest rooms. High-rise main spaces. Sorry about the shaking. Let me see. Third floor. The third floor is the Red Sky. เป็นร้านอาหารเป็นร้านอาหารใช่ไหม
ใช่เป็นรูปท็อปบาร์นะ
ท็อปบาร์น่าจะแพงน่าดู
ถูกต้อง
6,000 There's an advertisement in the lift. I'm not quite sure what's gonna happen. Here's 23.
นี่นั่นที่แกมาดูเปิด
Okay. Now to the last lifts in this lift tour. These are the shuttle lifts. These go specifically from the ground floor up to the 22nd floor, all the way up to the 26th floor. These are for people that do not want to stop at the car park levels. But for me, I don't think these have that much point of having these lifts, because you could just take the car park lifts anyways. These are also cone high-rise main space lifts. These lifts with the shuttle. These guys are shuttles up to the reception. So first going up. So you got this one, the middle one. Yeah.
อะไรวะ
Thingy.
ขอบคุณมาก
Thingy. 26. No. 26. There's TV. So 6. It's a spa. Then this open up directly. There's an advertisement. Sorry about the sound happening. The The advertisement is always about the food that they have in this building. I'm not sure about the restaurants, about the bar.
แล้วเริ่มที่ชั้นสองกด22เลย
So ground 22. These go about 2 meters a second. 2.5, I'm not sure. 22.